David Durang here. So right now, I'm gonna show you how it is apartment viewing in New York City. It's really a pain, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll go into more detail, but first I wanna show you the space, show you the layout. A lot of small apartments in New York. This unit that I'm supposed to see, I believe is a 3-bedroom. Otherwise, I would want to check elsewhere. But yeah, I believe it's a 3-bedroom, so let's see what it's about. So I'm waiting for the person to retrieve me down here. Alrighty, thank you. So I'm trying to think, did they show this as a office or a room?
So there are 3, so potentially you can use one as an office, one as a bedroom, one as a living room.
Okay.
Like TV room. I would personally recommend using this one as your bedroom. You have, it's quiet. You have bathtub there. No light, unfortunately, in the bathroom.
Yep.
So stackable washer and dryer, which is a lifesaver these days. And this is the kitchen arrangement. So potentially, again, since it's just you two, like nice table just here, and then maybe you can arrange the TV room in the room next door. So this one, again, they're all pretty much equally sized. Here you can potentially put a couch and then TV there, and use that one, the last room, as your office because it gets the most nature light. Too small? Come on, be honest.
It's very small. Because we have a queen-size bed.
Yeah, so queen will fit in any of these.
Potentially, but I'm talking about the rest of the furniture.
Yeah.
But what I'll do is I have my measurements. So I'm just now leaving the apartment, and you saw how it was, very, very small. So you enter the apartment, and there's this small room. So I was like, all right, cool. That could be like a little office, and there was like a barn style door, the ones that slide side to side. So that would have been pretty cool. And then as you walk, there's a kitchen area that's supposed to act as a kitchen / living room. That's not gonna work. My sofa is an L shape, and that's not gonna hold it at all. It's terrible. And the 2 rooms are small. So we have a king size bed. The bed is huge. The bed could take up the whole room, and that will be all it is. So the name will be figurative. It would definitely be a bedroom because it would just be for the bed. And then if we were to put the furniture, the other furniture in the next room, I guess that can work, but it's not good. But that's what you have to deal with in New York. Small, tiny apartments. Yeah.